What is up, guys? Today I'll be doing a DIY video, which you guys haven't seen DIY video in a long time, but today I'll be doing a monitorizer just so you guys can see how you can do it yourself. I see you guys are thinking why am I posting this video, but I'm not gonna have the video got ideas until I get 20 subs for my PC One Man's Trash Part 3, so I think I'm doing a DIY video. Anyways, I've got some wooden planks and a wooden sheet that is stained and found some tools for it. So in the tools there are many other things, but I used the wallpaper tool, which you may get to rid of the wallpaper from the wall itself. This is a quick demo of what it looks like, pretty shiny and nice. And what I did was got on the wood and I scratched off all the dirt and bugs and nasty stuff, and then I sanded it a bit. Next up, I got these premium quality paintbrushes from my local pound store, and I mixed it with this 2 parts coffee, 1 part water mix. It's instant coffee, and it gave it the wood, the wooden planks, a really nice stain, and it just made my day a lot. Just seemed that was satisfying. And then I took a pencil and marked where I would saw everything. So I used a little saw to mark the corners, and then I used a bigger saw to cut through everything that look through. And now here are the wooden planks all chopped up, and it's not too hard sticking everything together. So what I got this silicone gun, and I got some wood adhesive. I didn't use wood glue, but this is the only thing I can find for now. Don't worry, my OCD will pay back, but I'll just stuck it on just like that. And on top I used a more road or cleanness sticking method with the wood adhesive, and it does blend in pretty nicely with the wood, but it does have a color difference, if you know what I mean. This is a quick demo, spoilers for my the setup, but here's the monitorizer itself. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you later.